February 21st, 2017, in Putnam County, West Virginia, Michael Walker is walking down the side of the road to go coyote hunting. Michael is epileptic and did not have a driver's license, so he walks from place to place. West Virginia is an open carry state, which means if you open carry a firearm in public, as long as you have not been previously prohibited by state or federal laws or penalties, he can legally openly carry a firearm. Apparently, somebody called 911 and complained that a man with a gun was walking down the side of the road. No illegal conduct was reported, just that he was in possession of a firearm. 2 Putnam County deputies responded. Upon their approach, Michael began to video record with his cell phone.
Huh? Up to it, buddies.
Back up. Got some ID on you?
Huh?
Got some ID on you?
Have I broken any laws?
I'm asking you if you got any ID on you.
Have I broken any laws?
I'm asking you one time only, if you got any ID on you.
Yes.
Can I have it, please?
Can you tell me what crime I've committed?
Because I'm asking you for ID. I have the right, absolute right, to ask anybody who they are and if they have any ID.
Unless
you do not have to break a law for me to ask you who you are. Right or wrong?
Wrong. Unless I have committed a crime.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Do you want to do this or not?
Sir, I'm just trying to get up to my destination.
Listen to me. Where's your destination?
You don't need to know that.
Well, you need to give me some ID.
What's your name?
Donahoe.
And what's yours?
Polly.
Polly?
Thank you, Mr. Walker. 21 inspection.
21.
All right, at 3. So people are calling saying that you're walking down the road with a gun.
Okay, is that against the law?
Everybody in the world is going to call. You know as well as I do.
I have been walking up and down this road for years carrying a firearm.
Check it, history.
I have done nothing wrong. I am just simply walking up the road.
Okay, understand that. And understand it's everybody's right to carry a gun. I understand that, okay?
Then why am I getting stopped?
Huh?
Then why am I getting stopped?
Again, I can stop and talk to anybody that I want to, right?
Unless I have committed a crime.
Am I patting you down?
No.
Okay.
But you
at this point,
are you detaining me?
At this point, I'm talking to you.
Okay, are you detaining me?
That's up to you.
If it's up to me, I'm going to be on my way.
Okay. At this point, you can be on your way when I tell you can walk off. Okay.
Okay, so I'm being detained.
Because at this point, I have the absolute right to see whether you're legal to carry that gun or not.
Am I expected of not being legal to carry a firearm?
Listen to me. Have you ever committed any crime that would keep you from carrying a firearm?
No.
Okay.
But do you have the suspicion that I have committed a crime that keeps me from having a firearm?
Everybody in the world. I have no idea. Everybody I come across.
21 is negative access 29. Did you want me to check history on?
Yes.
Past 29?
Yeah. Criminal history. Okay? Everybody in the world that I deal with that has a gun, I check and see whether they have committed a crime that would keep them to possess a gun, okay? It'll only take a minute. So if you have not, you're kicked down the road, you can go do whatever you want to do, okay? As for taking that in any store, if you plan on going to any store, I would highly advise against it.
I have done it several times.
I'm telling
Walking is my only transportation.
That's fine.
I have walked into many stores with this firearm.
Why do you need to carry an AR-15 with you?
I don't answer questions.
Seven Valley Road and Scott Depot, is that correct?
I don't answer questions.
Oh, you got, a Colt?
I don't answer questions. Don't touch me or my
I'm
property.
looking, I'm just seeing what kind
Don't
of gun
touch
you
me
got,
or
brother.
my property.
You know what? I understand the whole sovereign citizen bullshit, okay? And I have it up to here with this, I don't have to answer any fucking questions or whatnot. You make it more fucking difficult for anybody to do their damn job out here. I'm just wondering what you have. I'm not going to take it from you at this point.
It doesn't matter what I have. I'm not breaking any laws. I'm not committing any crime.
Listen to me. I like guns too. I'm just kind of curious what you like to carry. I'm making small talk. Okay? You can do this bullshit all you want. And I fucking can't stand cocksuckers that do this kind of shit that make it more difficult. I don't have to answer questions. You know what? That's all I hear all goddamn day.
That's not my fault, sir.
It is your fault.
No, it's not.
Because you cocksuckers start it.
This seems to be the way that most police interpret this type of situation, considering Michael at no time wishes to help the police with an investigation into himself. He's now being perceived as the problem in the situation, when in all actuality, the police are the only one to blame for this seemingly recurring problem. And basically, it's all because the police are the ones who enforce the laws, and yet they simply don't know how the laws work, and they don't even realize that the Constitution was created to protect people in situations exactly like this situation that is at hand.
I ask you for ID. When a law enforcement officer asks you for ID, it's not, I don't have to provide it. It's, here it is, sir, because by law, you fucking got to give it when you are asked for it. And if you think you don't press the issue, we'll find out. I'll hook you, book you, jam you into jail. Then you can answer to a goddamn judge.
I have already been through this situation once.
I don't care. You can go through it again. Tell them to go ahead.
Dispatch 21.
Go ahead, boy.
Who you got secured?
Go ahead.
With a gun.
See, people that I deal with don't have that same thinking. Okay? They think just because, oh, I can carry a gun, I can carry a gun. They don't think about their past. All right? I don't know whether you can or can't, but it is my right to figure out whether you can or can't legally have one. All right?
No.
Yeah.
Unless I have committed a crime.
I can check anybody in the world. If I see you have a gun, I can run your name, check you, and see whether you can possess it or not. Don't tell me that I can't either, because I do it every day and I arrest people every day for it.
Unless I have committed a crime or broken the law, or I'm suspect of committing a crime or breaking the law, you are not allowed to stop me.
Okay. Here you go. You're wrong. Take off.
If that's the way you feel. Sad you can't even walk down the road minding your own business without getting stopped. I have walked up and down this road, I don't know how many times, carrying a long rifle. And I will continue to do so. And what they don't know is I'm currently on my way to go coyote hunting with a buddy. I do have my AR, plain sight. There's no reason for them to stop me, but they do it anyway. And that, folks, is illegal. Unless you have committed a crime or have broken a law, they cannot stop and detain you.
The Fourth Amendment states that every person has the right to be secure in your persons, houses, papers, and effects. And with the state law saying that open carry is legal, the man open carrying his rifle is not a reason to stop and detain him. Guys, before you head out, make sure and leave this video a thumbs up. That way it helps the algorithm to share it on the YouTube platforms. Also, make sure and leave a comment in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, do so before you leave. And other than that, guys, be sure and share this video everywhere you can, and I will see you guys in the next one.